Good morning, children. Open page number 339, 339. General Knowledge, Grade 3, Semester 1, Chapter 5, Useful Insects. Insects may look scary or may not be liked by everyone, but they play a very important role in keeping the garden healthy. Match the insects in column A with their correct description in column B. This is column A and this is column B. Number 1, ladybug. Both the adults and the larvae of this insect feed on soft-bodied insects and aphids. BOTH both, THE the, ADULTS adults, AND and, THE the, LARVAE larvae, OF of, THIS this, INSECT insect, FEED feed, ON on, SOFT soft, BOD IED bodied, INSECTS insects, AND and, APHIDS aphids. Both the adults and the larvae of this insect feed on soft-bodied insects and aphids. So match a line from here to here. Number 2, ground beetle, GROUND, ground, BEETLE, beetle, ground beetle. This long-legged and rather large bug likes to feed on insects that are particularly harmful for vegetables. THIS this, LONG long, LEGGED legged, and RATHER rather, LARGE large, BUG bug, LIKES likes, TO2, FEED feed, ON on, INSECTS insects, THAT that, ARER, PARTICULA RLY particularly, HARMFUL harmful, FOR for, VEGETABLES vegetables. This long-legged and rather large bug likes to feed on insects that are particularly harmful for vegetables. So match a line from here to here. Number 3, dragonfly, DRAGONFLY, dragonfly. It only helps in keeping the garden free from pests but also helps in keeping the mosquito population under control. IT NOT not, ONLY only, HELPS helps, INN KEEPING keeping, THE the, GERDEN garden, FREE free, FROM from, PESTS pests, BUT but, ALSO also, HELPS helps, INN KEEPING keeping, THE the, MOSQUITO mosquito, POPULATION population, UNDER under, CONTROL control. It not only helps in keeping the garden free from pests but also helps in keeping the mosquito population under control. Number 4, wasp, WASP, wasp. The smaller ones of this insect are known to attack the eggs of all sorts of pests and are perhaps one of the best insects to provide an efficient garden pest control. THE the, SMALLER smaller, ONES ones, OF of, THIS this, INSECT insect, ARER NOWN known, TO2 ATT attack, THE the, EGGSX OF of, ALL all, SORTS sorts, OF of, PESTS pests, AND and, ARER, PERHAPS perhaps, ONE on, OF of, THE the, BEST best, INSECTS insects, TO2 PROVIDE provide, ANN EFFICIENT efficient, GERDEN garden, PEST pest, CONTROL control. The smaller ones of this insect are known to attack the eggs of all sorts of pests and are perhaps one of the best insects to provide an efficient garden pest control. Match a line from wasp to here. Last one, honeybee, HONEYBEE, honeybee. It is a good pollinating insect and also provides us honey. IS is AAGOOD good, POLLINATING pollinating, INSECT insect, AND also PROVIDES provides US as HONAY honey. It is a good pollinating insect and also provides us honey. So match a line from here to here. This is the end of the 5th chapter. Now let's go to 6th chapter. Open page number 340-340. 6th chapter, Winged Wonders. Unscramble the letters to name these feathered creatures. Number 1, the largest bird. THE, the LARGEST, largest. BIRD, bird. The largest bird is ostrich. OSTRICH, ostrich. Number 2, the smallest bird. THE, the SMALLEST, smallest. BIRD, bird. The smallest bird is bee hummingbird. BEEHUMMINGBIRD, hummingbird. Bee hummingbird. Number 3, the tallest flying bird. THE, the TALLEST, tallest. FLYING, flying. BIRD, bird. The tallest flying bird is Sarus crane. SARUS, Sarus. CRANE, crane. Sarus crane. Number 4, the fastest flying bird. THE, the FASTEST, fastest. FLYING, flying. BIRD, bird. The fastest flying bird is peregrine falcon. PEREGRINE, peregrine. FALCON, falcon. Peregrine falcon. Number 5, bird with the longest wingspan. BIRD, bird. WITH, with. THE, the LONGEST, longest. WINGSPAN, wingspan. Bird with the longest wingspan is wandering albatross. WANDERING, wandering. ALBATROS, albatross. Wandering albatross. This is the end of the 6th chapter, children. Now let us go to 7th chapter. Open page number 341. Chapter 7, Brush Beacons. BRUSH, brush. BEACONS, beacons. Brush beacons. Identify these world-renowned painters based on their descriptions using the help box. 1. A painter, scientist and an inventor. This famous artist is known for his painting, the Mona Lisa. A PAINTER, painter. SCIENTIST, scientist. AND, and. AN INVENTOR, inventor. THIS, this. FAMOUS, famous. ARTIST, artist. IS is. NKNOWN, known. FOR, for. HIS, his. PAINTING, painting. THE, the. MONA, Mona. LISA, Lisa. A painter, scientist and an inventor. This famous artist is known for his painting, the Mona Lisa. The artist's name is Leonardo da Vinci. LEONARDO, Leonardo. DA, da. VINCI, Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci. Number 2, a globally acclaimed artist from India. He is often called Picasso of India. He was recipient of Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. GLOBALLY, globally. ACCLAIMED, acclaimed artist. ARTIST, artist. FROM, from. INDIA, India. HEISSOFTEN, often. CALLED, called. THE, the. PICASSO, Picasso. OF, of. INDIA, India. HEWAS, was. AA. RECIPIENT, recipient. OF, of. THE, the. PADMA, Padma. SHRI, Shri. PADMA, Padma. BHUSHAN, Bhushan. AND, and. PADMA, Padma. VIBHUSHAN, Vibhushan. A global acclaimed artist from India. He is often called the Picasso of India. He was an recipient of Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan is MF Hussain. MFHUSSAIN, MF Hussain. A sculptor, painter and an architect. This artist's epic painting on the ceiling of Sistine Chapel makes him incomparable. SCULPTOR sculptor, PAINTER painter, AND ARCHITECT architect, DHIS this, IRTISTS artists, EPIC epic, PAINTING painting, on, THE the, CEILING ceiling, OF of, THE the, SISTINE Sistine, CHAPL chapel, MAKES makes, HIM him, INCOM PARAPLA incomparable. A sculptor, painter, and an architect, this artist's epic painting on the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel makes him incomparable. Is Michelangelo, MICHELANGELO, Michelangelo. 4. He was beloved cartoonist and humorist who delighted us for years with his cartoon character the Common Man. WAS was BELOVED beloved, CARTOONIST cartoonist, and HUMORIST humorist, WHO who, DELIGHTED delighted, us FOR for, YEARS years, WITH with, HIS his, CARTOON cartoon, CHARATER character, THE the, COMMON common, MAN man. He was a beloved cartoonist and humorist who delighted us for years with his cartoon character the Common Man. RK Lakshman, RKLXMAN Lakshman. 5. In addition to being a painter, he was a poet and playwright. Spent most of his life in France. INNADDITION addition, TO2 BEING being, A PAINTER painter, HE WAS was, A POET poet, and PLAY WRAGHT write, WHO who, SPENT spent, MOST most, OF of, HIS his, LIF life, INN FRANCE France. In addition to being a painter, he was a poet and playwright who spent most of his life in France. Pablo Picasso, PABLO, Pablo PICASSO, Picasso, Pablo Picasso. This is the end of the 7th chapter. Now let us go to 8th chapter. Open page number 342, 342. Melody makers. Read the description of the different types of musical instruments in the given table. Classify the instruments shown by writing their number and name under the correct category. Number 1. Percussion. 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 Makes a sound when struck with hand, beater or stick or shaken. MAKES makes a SOUND sound, WHEN when STRUCK struck, WITH with HAND hand, BEATER beater, ORR STICK stick, ORR SHAKEN shaken. They are gong, xylophone, bass drum. GONG gong, XYLOPHONE xylophone, BASSDRUM bass drum. Number 2. Strings. STRINGS strings. Creates vibration with the help of strings. CREATES creates VIBRATION vibration, WITH with THE the, HELP help, OF of, STRINGS strings. Creates vibration with the help of strings. Guitar, violin, harp. GUITAR guitar, VIOLIN violin, HARP harp. Woodwind. WOODWIND woodwind. Creates vibration when wind is blown inside it. CREATES creates VIBRATION vibration, WHEN when, WIND wind, IS is, PLOWN blown, INSIDE inside, IT it. Creates vibration when wind is blown inside it. Saxophone, bagpipe, flute. SAXOPHONE, saxophone. BAGPIPE, bagpipe. FLUTE, flute. And this is the end of the 8th chapter.